Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa, coming at you again. I promised you another Roadrunner this afternoon. This here is a 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. It is a real Roadrunner, RM VIN Code. This car is a 383 with a 4-speed transmission. This car is Sunfire Yellow. It is a very, very nice car. It is an older restoration, but it still shows very well. Has just a few little imperfections in it that I'll be happy to point out to you in this video. Now, this car is yellow. It is a green vinyl top on this car, and it does have green interior in this car. You know, Mopar and Chrysler, you know, they've done a lot of weird paint combinations back in the day. This is one of them, but I really like it. It's a very, very good looking car. This car has power steering. It has power brakes with disc brakes on the front. It also has drilled and slotted rotors on the front. 4-speed transmission in this car shifts very well. I drove this car yesterday, about 30 miles, probably 40 miles. Actually, I drove it to my house and back. I had to run home and grab some stuff, and I drove this car, and it really runs out very well. Has a good amount of power. Looks, runs, and sounds like a muscle car should. Very, very nice looking 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. The body is nice on this car. The paint's good. I would call it a driver quality paint job on the car, just for the simple fact that it is an older paint job, but it still looks very, very nice. I just don't want anyone getting the car thinking they're buying a $100,000 show car. It's not that. We're going to price this car probably at $54,900. So it's a great, great car for that. This car originally came out of California. It's been in the Midwest here for probably 15, 20 years. It's had one restoration, one repaint. I believe the interior is all original in the car. I couldn't be 100% sure of that, but I'm pretty sure that it is. You can check out the inside. That two-tone green interior. All your seat belts are there and intact, as well as the rear seat belts. They're all there and intact as well. The carpet is in good shape. It's got matching floor mats front and rear. Your dome light works. Your headliner looks good. Your sail panels are in good shape. A couple little wrinkles on each side and the back on your sail panels. Not a big deal, but I really like to be honest with you and tell you exactly what you're seeing and exactly what I'm seeing. The car is very solid. I ran my hand across the bottom of the doors and the bottom of the fenders and the quarter panels. I don't feel any bubbles or blisters on the car. Your door jambs are in good shape. They look nice. Got Roadrunner floor mats in it. Your sill plates are in good shape. They're nice and shiny. Door jambs look good. A little bit of dirt down here. Maybe a few little imperfections in the paint right here on this jam. Nothing major, but like I say, I like to show everybody everything that I see. Door panels are nice. Your bottom of your doors and your door seams are in very good shape. It's got the original Roadrunner steering wheel. Beep beep horn. I'll grab the key for the trunk and we'll look inside there. It says right there, San Fernandino drag strip trophy winner. So she'd been out in California. Kind of a cool sticker to have on there. Inside of your trunk looks good. It's all original in there. It appears never been restored. It does have a spare tire and a jack. That stuff is all there and intact. Your seal around your trunk is in good shape. A couple stickers there. American flag, land of the free, because of the brave, it says. Isn't that the truth? The Roadrunner there on the back. Has a little chip right here in the paint, you can see, right above that stripe, probably about the size of the end of an ink pen. A couple little, maybe a little solvent pops or maybe a couple little fisheye spots right here in the paint. I'm underneath these bright LED lights in this showroom here, so I can see everything, so that's why I try to point out everything to you that I see. Has one little chip here in this marker light. Looks like a little chip right here. Nothing, like I say, there's nothing major on this car anywhere. But I want you to get this car and be happy with it and tell me that's everything that I told you that it would be. Your door gaps are really, really good on this car. Panel alignment is good. There's your back of your door where it meets the quarter and where it meets the front fender. That looks good too. The hood gap looks nice. All the way down. And all the way down. As well as the passenger side door to fender. That looks nice. The bottom seam looks good. And that seam looks good as well. So all the gaps in this car are very, very good. I think you'd be hard pressed to find any better car for the money. These cars just keep going up and up and up in value every day, every month, every year. So I don't think that's a thing. Little spot here looks like they might have rubbed up against something right here. It's really hard to see. It's about the size of one of my fingernails. If I wouldn't point any of this stuff out, you probably wouldn't notice everything on it, but I'm just honest. I like to be that way. That's the only way to be. This car is a very, very good quality driver car. You can take it to a car show. You can win trophies with it. You know, are you going to win anything at the Mopar Nationals with this car? Probably not. But it's a local car show trophy winner for sure. It's a great looking car. Engine bay is very, very sanitary. Looks good. Painted firewall, painted inner fenders. Like I say, power steering, power brakes. It retains original style exhaust manifolds on this car. Engine's all painted up nice. It looks very, very well. 383 Roadrunner air cleaner on it. It does have the hood insulator. That's there and intact, and the rubber strip on the front of the hood there is intact as well. Everything seems to work in this car. All the lights work. The gauges seem to all work. The wipers work. The blower motor works. The radio even turns on. It does have a tack dash in it, and the tack in the dash works as well. We'll fire it up here. Your dash lights work. Your bright headlight indicator there, it works. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Wipers. Can't tune anything in here, but blower motor does work. I'm not sure if that high speed works. The defrost is working, and it does switch to, it seems to switch to the floor when you put it down there. Even this reverse indicator light, even that reverse indicator light, it works. And the reverse lights work in this car too. I'll shut it off here and I'll show you that here in a second. Temp gauge works, gas gauge works. Looks like the alternator gauge works. It is charging. License plate lights, tail lights, they're all functioning. Your headlights, all four of those are on. Turn the signals on here. There's the VIN, you can see that. I don't know if you can see it very well, but RM. All the signals work on the car. Say we already tried that, but there it is again, that beep beep horn. Kind of the iconic beep beep horn. Just a great car, everybody. If you're looking for a 69 Roadrunner, we have two of them in stock right now. We have the blue one and we have the yellow one. One automatic, one 4-speed. They're both really, really good quality cars. Give us a call today, 563-452-2450. Look us up on our website, KinionAuto.com. That's K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade collector cars, muscle cars, regular late model vehicles every single day. Give us a call if you have something to sell or you have something that you would like to trade. Give us a call. We'll be very fair and honest with you about the value of your car. We really appreciate you watching all of our videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kinion Classics, and you will receive all the new videos that we post of our cars online. That way you never miss out on a deal. We really appreciate you watching our videos. We hope you have a wonderful afternoon, and until next time.